You remember you said you're here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm actually going to go a little bit lower and say that it's here and here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. So what I'm going to say, and I'm actually seeing it now, is there's cellular trauma, yeah, that's trapped within the stomach. That is the constant trigger. Yeah. So you'd need body work to get into that, break that out, and then release the energy out of it to fully be able to remove it. So this is the thing, you know, a lot of the modalities out there will do the energy work, or they'll do the mind and the brain work, you know. But what it is like, that's great and a piece of the puzzle, but it's not the whole puzzle, yeah. So you can see with what I do and what I share and teach in my courses, we're working with the whole puzzle. Because what happens, yeah, if you don't work with the whole puzzle, you know, you may be working with a mind, but you're missing the soul. And if the issue's in the soul, you can do all the work you want on the mind, the brain, the body, and the energy. If you don't deal with the issue in the soul, it's just going to stay there. Yeah? So while you feel you're moving somewhere because you've done all this mind work, this hypnotherapy or, you know, NLP or whatever and things like that, you know, it's you can do all that work you want, but if the core issue is here, yeah. But when I'm talking about all the work, I'm talking about obviously the emotional release work, but then there's also the physical work, which is what you're putting in and on your body.